Nasunog? Nakakatakot kayo? Good evening. So for tonight, we're going to I'm going to teach you how to use this whipping cream dispenser. So first, I'm going to teach you the parts, or ito yung mga parts. This is the dispenser. Ito yung cup. Dapat importante na merong gasket. Ito yun. Kasi kapag wala to, hindi magwi-whip ang ating cream. Tapos, dito natin ilalagay yung ating cream design. Iba-ibang design. So, ito yung napili ko. And ito yung ating charger. Dito natin ilalagay. Ito yung charger pin. So, dito natin ilalagay yung charger. So, first, meron ditong indicator. Ito lang yung maximum line kung saan pwede tayo maglagay ng ating whipping cream. So, hindi tayo dapat mag above the maximum para maging ano. Nasunog? Nakakatakot kayo? So, ngayon, we're going to pour our whipping cream dito. Make sure na nasa maximum line lang. Okay. Mas maganda ng mas konti. Basta wag aabot sa maximum. So, ayan. Nasa ano na tayo. Below the maximum. So, ngayon, make sure na naka-insert mabuti yung ating gasket. And then, lagay na natin. Screw it firmly and nicely. Kasi kailangan hindi lalabas dito yung charger or sisingaw kapag nilagay natin yung charger. Then, let's put our design, whipping cream design. Ito. And then, ngayon, gagamit tayo ng chargers. Ito yung mga chargers, cream chargers. So, any brand pwede. Ito, meron na tayong bukas. So, let's use one. Then, put it inside dito sa ating, etong lagayan ng cream charger. So, may hole siya dito. Huwag natin tatakpan to kapag tinuwis na natin. So, ito na siya. So, you will hear the hissing sound. Kapag narinig nyo yung hissing sound, ibig sabihin okay yung pagkaka-charge or pagkakalagay nyo ng charger. Just make sure again na saradong-sarado siya. Kinakabahan ako kasi minsan sumasabog siya. Dapat hindi mo tatakpan yung ayun. May narinig ba kayo? Kapag narinig niyo yun, okay na. Ibig sabihin, na-charge na ang ating dispenser. So, you can remove this. May maririnig din ulit kayong hissing sound. Ayun. So, butas na. Meaning, gamit na siya. And then, you can put this lid doon. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng drink. No, sorry. So, after natin ilagay dito yung charger, after natin i-charge, give it a shake. Siguro mga 4 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. So, okay na yan dapat. So, gagawa muna tayo ng drink and ito-try natin siyang i-dispense. So, for the drink, gawa tayo ng Java chip. So, ice. And then, our espresso. And then our milk. This is 2 jiggers of milk. So that's 2 jiggers of milk. And then 1 jigger of chocolate syrup. milliliter of chocolate syrup. And lastly, we're going to add sugar or simple sugar, simple syrup. Half jigger lang. Kasi meron na tayong chocolate syrup. So, half jigger. Okay. So, i-blend na natin siya. Halfway ng pag-blend natin, ilagay na natin yung ating choco chips. Choco chips. So again, let's blend it. So now our syrup is done. Our drink is done. Mag-ano na lang tayo, mag-design tayo. Lagyan lang natin ng konting chocolate syrup dito sa sides. Yan, para naman masarap tignan ang ating drink. And then, ilalagay na natin ang ating drink. So now, itatry natin ng i-dispense ang ating ginawang cream dito sa dispenser. So, para i-dispense siya, dapat turn it upside down, full upside down, hindi nakaslant. Dapat full upside down. And then, full upside down and dispense it gently. See? So, it's up to you kung gaano kataas ang gusto nyo. Pero, ito, I suggest yung medyo hindi siya masyadong stiff kung makikita nyo. Sa Arla, that's the problem when I'm using Arla. And then, a bit of chocolate chip. Syempre, sarap nito. Sorry for the background kasi merong nag-fumigate. Okay, so you can also drizzle some chocolate syrup on top. So this is double Java chip na to. So here's our drink. And that's how we use our cream dispenser. So I hope this helps you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching.